Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create or replace an AI image with this really cool website I found called deepfakemaker.io. So all you have to do here is to sign up and click on the image editor here, click on AI replace, and you can see that this particular AI allows you to replace, transform your image, and even add or remove um, materials in the image. Now this is an image that was created, so you can see it's the original image was a dog, and then a prompt was given and instructed to make it into a bike, and we can see the new image. So if you want to change an object in your image, you can actually use this cool AI. So all you have to do is to upload your picture here in any of these formats here: PNG, JPEG, web, and then tell it what you actually want here, and then click on generate. Now within few seconds your image will be transformed and ready for download. So you can see an example here, and that's it guys. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys, and please subscribe to the channel as I'm actively trying to grow it. Thank you very much.